Hey guys, today we're going to play chess this best day, and I will win. Let's start. Okay, maybe we could do a chess game. Play Oscar or play a person. I would rather play Oscar. Triple XP for 10 minutes.
Losing isn't an option for me.
Okay, it should be.
I eat pawns for breakfast.
Oh no. Maybe right. It's not an option for
And
you.
bam.
What? Isn't he so good?
Deep breaths, Oscar.
Yeah.
You took my pony. Check. Not the queen.
I got this queen. Now I
Guess I won't be promoting that pawn. I'll be taking that bishop.
Oh no.
Check, please. How could you? You won't even miss it. How could you?
Oh, here. I think this goes here. Here. I can move my knight here. Why can't I put it here? Oh, the bishop might take me. But I can put this here just to defend.
This is fine. Bishop down.
Yes.
Ah, an even exchange. And mine.
It looks like I'm in trouble.
Equal and opposite reaction.
What? I didn't know there could be an exchange.
My rook
Yes.
hath been took.
Rook stolen.
Don't mind if I do.
Oh no. I don't like that. This here. Oh no. I absolutely don't
Check.
like that. Oh no. Yes,
Must you ruin all my plans?
I got it. This is the last chance.
Losing builds character. Especially if that character is me.
Losing builds character, especially if that character is me. That's funny. Winner. Nightmare fuel cannot see victory. I did it. I won.
It would be silly to pay for super on your own, when you can share a family plan with your best friend.
You can save money and learn faster.
Together! So start your family plan today.
Go add. Oh, 61. You kept a perfect strike for another week. That's a lot of perfect weeks. And a long perfect strike. Play Oscar or play person. Let's see how much triple XP I have left. 6 minutes. That is not much. So I got it.
If I lose, I did it on purpose.
Of course you won't. It's not a competition.
Ouch. That's
It's
humbling.
just a game.
Right.
Humbling.
Showtime.
Oh. That's my jam.
Aha. Check, please.
I can move this here. Here. That's a confusing pin.
I eat pawns for breakfast.
Oh. What can I do? Here?
Me, worried, never.
Now it's mine.
Alas, noble queen.
I caught his queen.
Equal and opposite
That's
reaction.
a funny word. Don't do that.
That's a shame. I see dead pieces.
Yes.
Mine now. You monster. It had a name. How could you? I didn't need that rook anyway. Careful, my apprentice.
Now let's do this.
Bye, buddy. Hope you find your king. Guess I won't be promoting that pawn. My rook hath been took. Ah, an even exchange. Your Highness? My Highness.
Odd. I forgot to watch. I think he just
That was my favorite
did a
pawn.
fork.
Check.
Like
I'll be taking that bishop.
he tricked my king and then stole my queen.
Check, please.
Oh no. Yes. Oh no.
Check.
Keeps tricking me.
I'll be taking that bishop.
What?
Guess I won't be promoting that pawn. Knight down. Nice check.
All he has is his king. It's funny.
Check me.
King.
Ah, check. Checked me. Ah, check.
That's a lot of checks.
Checked me. Nice check.
Keep checking him. Here.
Checked me.
This could go here. That. This could go anywhere. Now. Oh, I'm doing very smart thing. Oh no. Let's find a way to checkmate it. And yes, that worked. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. That is very smart thinking. Now what can I do?
Stalemate. No valid moves, and the
What?
king is not in check.
I didn't know that. Draw. Still worth it. And never wasting time with Oscar.
It would be silly to
didn't
pay
know
for
that was
super
a
on your
draw.
own when you can share a family plan with your best friend
You can save money and learn faster.
together. So start your family plan today.
And continue. We'll remind you 2 days before your trial ends. Complete 4 lessons. Spend 15 minutes. Score 80% or higher in 15 lessons. Play Oscar. What? And
I styled my
expired.
mustache. For victory.
For
Check, please.
victory. I know you just want to win.
Sweet, sweet
Yes.
queen. See you, little guy. Ah, an even exchange. Ah, now I'm rethinking everything.
Okay.
Right, showtime.
Now this is here.
Giddy up.
Oh no.
But why?
Ah, yes.
That was part of the plan.
That
And
was
she's
my-
mine. Would you do that to your friend?
Oh no.
I won't be controlling that diagonal anymore. You won't even miss it. Check. Sorry. Not sorry. Knight down. Should have seen that coming. Sorry. Not sorry. Careful, my apprentice. Check, please. Would you do that to your friend?
Now, let's promote.
Fine, but I refuse to call her Your Majesty.
Let's double promote.
Should have kept my eye on that one.
Oh,
I meant for that to happen. Let's not tell Mother about that
yes,
one.
I won finally. Hey there, winning looks good on you. Okay guys, hope you liked how I win. Did you have a good time watching? If you did, then I'll see you next time. Bye bye.